How did you even get into the Marines?
You know what, Campo? I often ask myself the same goddamn question.
Is that the patrol?
It's two of them.
Just stay focused.
Shit, we got wounded NKIA in here.
I got it. Misfit Actual, this is 1-3. I need Castafac ASAP. How copy?
1-3, I confirm you oblige. Hang tight. Misfit out.
Man, this layout doesn't look right at all. Yeah, I found something. This is totally not good. Secondary's under here!
Secondary, copy that! Oh, fuck, boys, we are attracting a lot of fucking attention!
What's the problem? Can't cut the wire?
I can't cut anything till this wire's traced.
Blackburn, you're nominated. Follow the wire.
Blackburn, did you get that? Follow the goddamn wire. You okay in there? Just another goddamn tremor. Nothing to worry about. 1-4 is here to reinforce. Just get that wire cut.
All right, you claim you were knocked out after the earthquake.
Yes, sir.
Don't bother calling me sir, it's not gonna matter.
Because you're gonna torture me anyway?
We don't work that way anymore. Now you just go to the darkest corner of the room.
Great.
How long were you unconscious?
Sun had set when I came to. There was a broadcast.
Were you out for 6 hours? 8? It's important.
Is that a train?
Try to focus on the question, please.
I was still shaky as hell when I pulled myself out, so I don't know. It was dark.
Pulled yourself out. You were buried?
I did see something.
You just said it was dark and you were groggy.
Are you trying to get a rise out of me?
We're just along for the ride, Sergeant Blackburn. You're driving, for now.
If you say so.
So it was dark and you were groggy. You saw something after the quake. What was it?
On the other hand, I have a better idea. I'll let you choose. Choose? Choose what? Oh, come on. What is it? Live or die? Live or die, mister. Imshi!
All units dismissed. Be advised, a catastrophic earthquake event in Iran is affecting all operational capabilities in the Iran-Iraq region. This net will be delivering updates as they become available.
Come out in the open! Hiding will be seen as an act of aggression! The PLR is reaching out with catastrophe help to all American soldiers. Come out in the open! Hiding will be seen as an act of aggression.
We're pulling out. Over.
The PLR is reaching out with catastrophe help to all American soldiers. Come out in the open! Hiding will be seen as an act of aggression. The PLR is reaching out with catastrophe help to all American soldiers.
دیدی کجا رفتن؟
Come
نمیتونن
out
زیاد
in the
دور
open!
رفته باشن. چه انفجاری؟ خوب آمریکایی هم اینجا بودن. اونا هم مثل ما زد میکشن.